So NetDocuments is a well-known product. It's established, it's highly respected in the community. They showed us all the features it had, everything we could do with it, and for us, when it was instantaneously, we saw it and we knew that our people would be able to embrace it and work with it with no problems, and that it met all of our needs in terms of being able to find documents, to save them, to know that they're not going to go anywhere and not disappear, and would be able to retrieve them at any time and from anywhere. NetDocuments was implemented with us about a month ago, and I have to be honest that I had a lot of concerns about how the transition is going to happen, because it's been a year that we've introduced changes to our staff and we didn't know how that's going to go. And I was so pleasantly surprised with how smoothly that transition went. The training was phenomenal. They spent so much time designing the product to our needs and customizing it the way we wanted it to be, the way we needed it to work, that it was just natural for everybody on our staff to just say, okay, so today's the day we start using a new software. And they said, okay, we can do this. And they just opened their computers and they started doing this. And we've had barely any concerns that we've had to address as we would with any new software. It was just non-existent. It was just as if this had been in place forever. And for us, that's the biggest vote of confidence we can have with any piece of software that we introduce. Since we've moved to the cloud, we've discovered that our efficiency has gone up. It's a lot easier to find documents. It's a lot easier to enter a file and see where the file is at in terms of finances. What do we have in terms of retainer? How much is the client at in terms of their bills? We've found that our ability to service our clients has improved significantly. We're a lot more efficient. It's a lot easier for us to work anywhere we are and access the data from anywhere we have to, and still have the peace of mind of knowing that it's all secure and it's all protected. So we're not causing our clients any cause for concern by accessing things remotely. It's all there at the tip of our fingers, and all you need is a computer and an internet access, and you have access to everything. So you can practice anywhere you want and give your clients the same level of service as if you're sitting at the office. If you care about the environment, if you just want to be able to have access to a complete file without worrying about carrying around with you boxes of documents, you can do that with the right system. If you have a system that's able to manage massive amounts of documents, and NetDocuments, in our opinion, is that type of product, then you can do it with it, and you just put everything up there, and it's all in the cloud, and it's all accessible. It's a great solution. Doesn't matter the size of the firm. It's the right solution, in my opinion.